All right, it has been 6 days since I assembled the glycerite, and so now it's time to strain it. To start with, I'm going to pour it through this fine metal sieve, which has been washed and then also sprayed down with isopropyl alcohol, and then pour it into this 4-cup Pyrex, which has also been washed and then sprayed down with isopropyl alcohol. I really like this pairing. It just nests together very nicely. And so my idea is I will pass it through here, and then we will check and see if it needs to be passed through a finer filtering thing. I have washed a mesh bag and hung it to dry, and so that's downstairs on the drying rack right now. And so if it has become apparent that this requires a finer round of filtering, then we will be ready for that. So yeah, everything has been sprayed down with isopropyl alcohol. Ooh, it smells so wonderfully of cranberries. Very, very red and juicy and gorgeous looking. Oh, well, that's just going right through. No worries whatsoever. I was prepared for this to take a very long time, but the cranberries, for the most part, have held their own and are not appearing to really cause much of an issue. I definitely should have smashed these up better. It looks like maybe 2/3 of them have actually sort of been ruptured. A bunch of them are still quite whole and don't appear to have really, contributed much to the mixture. So definitely next time we'll remember to smash the fruit before adding the glycerin, because the glycerin makes them so slippery that they just kind of go boop and run away when you try. That looks gorgeous. It is really clear, really not seeing any sediment. I think that's it. Why on earth did it take me so long to do this? I feel very, very silly. I really should have done this years ago. All right, pop that there. And I require a vessel to put this in. Now I don't have one right here because I honestly wasn't expecting this to go so incredibly quickly. So I will turn off the cameras, go find something, sterilize it, and I'll be back. All right, so I found this jar. It turns out I don't really have a lot of bottles that hold more than about 4 ounces, and it looks like this is gonna be just a little bit more than 4 ounces, about 120 milliliters. So this is, I believe, about a 240 mil jar. This was a gift from Humblebee. It has been very generously misted with our 70% isopropyl alcohol solution and allowed to dry. And now in we shall go with our glycerite. Oh, that color is so lovely. Pop a label on here and make sure to date it. There it is, our beautiful completed glycerite. So as a reminder, this is part 4 of a 4-part series of videos on how to make a gorgeous cranberry glycerite. So if you missed any of the other previous parts on this, I will link to those in the description box below so you can check them out. But stay tuned for a formulation made using this glycerite as part of our 2021 Frosted Cranberry holiday making theme. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon with more formulating content and videos and stuff. And yeah, thank you and good night.